G'day, Mike again with Module 10 of our Data Studio course, and we're going to talk just very briefly about sharing and collaboration. This is really the whole point of creating your Data Studio dashboard, is so that you can share it with probably a client, maybe other team members, and potentially collaborate internally on that dashboard, or even collaborate with your client on the dashboard. First thing is just getting clear on who's going to be the owner, and you'll remember when we talked in the Go Get Some Data module, I talked about how to share data sources. If you don't see that pencil icon next to your data source when you're looking at a dashboard, if you need to go and edit the data in any way or create a calculated metric, you'll need to ask the owner of the dashboard, the person that created the dashboard, to share the data source with you as well. And remember, by default, you're going to use the owner's criteria, so everybody that looks at the dashboard is able to see the data. Very, very simple to add other people. Just up in the top right corner of your dashboard, click on the little icon, pretty obvious there, the little plus and the person's head. I've no idea why I'm seeing two icons at the top right. On mine, I've blurred out one of them, but to share, just click on that little plus person icon down there. And just like any Google document, which you're probably very familiar with at this point, you can set whether they can edit or view. And of course, just above that, you can choose to set it to anyone at your domain, can find and edit, can find and view, or anybody with the link. That's typically what we'll use these days. Anybody with a link can edit, and then you copy the link and send it to them. Whole bunch of dashboards to use as a starting point. I just thought I'd throw that into the end of this module, because there's some really good stuff in here. There's a short code there for you. A whole bunch of dashboards. If you just search for Google Data Studio Gallery, you'll find this page. You can quickly copy one of those templates, make some changes, and be sharing it with your client inside of half an hour. So check the gallery out.